This project uses figures from multiple building precedents to create architectural objects. From Richard Meyer, Bernard Schumi, and James Sterling, these familiar profiles will then become building blocks on an urban scale, establishing a direct relationship between the objects and their corresponding building parts. The specific use of color in relationship to various forms of material translation processes becomes integral to the thesis. The conventional green screen used in cinematography will be deployed as both a compositional aesthetic driver and an apparatus to explore formal configurations. The relationship between color and material translation has been explored through two main techniques, photogrammetry and post-production effects. Blue masking tape was used to cover reflective surfaces during the process of 3D scanning. The resulting surfaces were then used or translated into various mediums and representations. Here, the green screen converts physical space into a compositional canvas. The use of suspended forms in physical space becomes a new opportunity to explore composition with the use of film as an alternative mode of generating geometry. The use of a solid green backdrop in addition to green masking tape exploits the effects created by a conventional green screen to perform Boolean difference operations in real time. Here, the green screen subtracts elements rather than superimpose them into the scene. The site is located in Baghdad, Iraq, encompassing historical ruins. An existing facade is to be considered as part of the project, measuring about 80 feet long in elevation. The site is congested with heavy pedestrian activity and circulation, where a pedestrian road lays tangent to the site. The main program will be a cultural center occupying the 15,000 square foot lot. This, however, will be part of a much larger university campus, which will expand beyond the boundaries of the site. The idea is to use the existing physical boundary and expand beyond that digitally, preserving the site's historical integrity. This digital space is to become the future university campus. Transitioning from the previous formal exercises and explorations, the green screen becomes an apparatus to expand beyond the physical limits of the site boundary. This transforms the site into a scene or set where objects can perform against a backdrop. The composition and recomposition of these pieces against the site becomes an interactive exercise to explore endless formal possibilities. The green screen, which is used to expand confined spaces to the infinite, is used to create a space that bleeds out into the surrounding context. These imaginary buildings levitate above the existing urban fabric, creating bridges or nodes above the city. The project takes advantage of neighboring courtyards and open spaces to become new grounds for future expansion.